Good morning, everyone. Tony Zargami with Keller Williams Classic Group wanted to bring you a hot off the presses, brand new listing, clicked launch like 4 minutes ago, just hit the real estate market. I cannot wait to share this one with you. This property is located in Lakewood National, which for those of you that know the area, Lakewood National is one of the premier new communities in Lakewood Ranch. It is such a resort style living. We've actually bought and sold a lot of properties in here, and that's what everyone says that they love, love, love the amenities. This 18-hole golf course, if you don't live in Lakewood National, I think it's about $130 with a cart for a round. And when you live in the community, it's $30 with a cart for an 18-hole round of golf. So look at this property. It's 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, has a dual master, which is just great, an expansive lanai in the back, and a walk balcony that walks across the whole back of the property. So this is the master right here. Bedroom here, another bedroom here that is acting as an office right now. But look at that view. This was actually one of the first properties built in Lakewood National. So it's right at the front of the community. And there is the golf course right there. You literally can't beat this view. The seller really spared no expense when going through and updating and adding everything to this property. So I wanted to zoom you through our 3D tour. Like always, let me jump onto our 3D tour link. This is actually a 2-story property, and both of the masters, there's dual masters, like I said, both of the masters are upstairs, which is really cool. And I wanted to take you, this is the front door. Did you guys ever have, like, when you were little, like something that you wanted in a house? This house has something that I wanted in a house that I don't have yet, but I may someday. So here's one entrance to the staircase that goes upstairs. And swing over here, this is the family in the great room and the chef's kitchen. And if you pop back here, let me turn us around in the kitchen. There's another staircase entrance. I always, when I was growing up, wanted a house. Oh, I'm showing you the wall. I wanted a house that had 2 staircases. I always thought that was so cool. So you've got an entrance from the back family room kitchen area, also an entrance from the front to get upstairs. Guys, this pool area is just phenomenal. I was actually at the property last week before we kind of self-contained ourselves, and you can't beat this backyard area. It's so large, so private. The sunsets at the end of the night are just spectacular. And the entire back of the house opens. So when we can start entertaining again, this home is perfect for that. So I want to show you the floor plan. This is the floor plan of the first floor. Let me get you up to the second floor and show you what this looks like. So this is the master bedroom. We've got dual French doors into the master, which again goes out to that balcony that's in the back of the property. An expansive master bathroom. It has 2 his and hers walk-in closets. Look at that counter space. How much makeup and hair products we could put on there. A large tile shower, which is really neat. All of the bedrooms are located upstairs. This also has a really cool loft area. So when you come up the stairs here, these are bedrooms 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is 1 bedroom downstairs. When you come up on the loft or up the stairs, there's a loft area here, which is really cool. You could use this really for anything. You could use it as a play area, an extra office space, a den space, just ton of things that you can do with all the space in this property. So that is our new listing out at Lakewood National. If you guys have any questions or do want to do a private tour of this property, let me know. We've priced it really well. We've priced it to move it. So if you have any questions or if you have a client that wants to do a virtual tour of the property, we've got more resources we can share with you. I hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon.